Welcome back to USA Cars Experts, the channel where we explore the newest rides, the latest features, and the smartest buying decisions in the world of automobiles and two-wheelers. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with everything on wheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most awaited scooters of the next generation, the Honda Activa G8, the 2026 edition. Let's get started. The Honda Activa has been a household name for decades, known for its reliability, smooth performance, and practical design. And now, Honda has pushed things even further with the Activa G8 2026. This new model comes with a more refined look, improved engine efficiency, and features that take convenience to another level. Starting with the design, the 2026 Activa G8 introduces a fresh modern look while still maintaining the classic Activa identity. The scooter features sharper body lines, a sleeker front panel, and upgraded LED lighting. Honda has kept things stylish with pure white and deep metallic blue color options, both of which look premium and elegant. The scooter has a smooth, aerodynamic finish that not only looks great but also helps improve overall riding efficiency. Under the seat, the Activa G8 continues to offer the practicality that riders love. The boot space has been slightly improved, giving more room for daily essentials, helmets, or groceries. The seat cushioning is softer, offering more comfort on long rides, and the overall ergonomics make it suitable for riders of all ages. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Honda Activa G8 is powered by Honda's new generation refined engine. It's fuel efficient, smoother than before, and offers better pickup without compromising on mileage. Honda claims that the new G8 delivers higher fuel economy thanks to its engine tuning and improved friction reduction technology. Whether you ride through city traffic or enjoy peaceful highway stretches, the G8 delivers stable, confident performance. When it comes to features, Honda has finally integrated the modern tech people have been waiting for. The Activa G8 includes a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, trip meter, and maintenance alerts. The new Smart Start system allows quick ignition without delay, and some variants may feature Bluetooth connectivity for call and message alerts. On the safety side, the Activa G8 continues to use combined braking system technology, offering better control and shorter braking distance. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making it ideal for both smooth and uneven roads. Overall, the Honda Activa G8 2026 is an impressive upgrade. It stays true to its legacy while stepping into the future with refined style, advanced features, and better performance. It's a scooter that remains perfect for families, office commuters, and everyday riders. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Honda Activa G8 2026, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to USA Cars Experts for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.